Welcome. Today we are going to continue with paper 1, part 2, question 4b. State 7 ways in which the rich oppressed the poor during the time of Prophet Amos. The rich took people's garments in pledge, they robbed them of their food, they overcharged them, they sold them for a piece of silver, they sold them goods that were unfit for human consumption. In business, they sold them to slavery, they denied them justice in law courts, and their cases were thrown out in the courts. Question 4c. Give reasons why Christians find it difficult to help the needy in the society today. No many needy cases, tribal feelings, political leanings. So if someone doesn't belong in your political camp, you tend not to help them. Poverty or inadequacy, indifference, denominational differences, poor infrastructure, that some of these places where the needy are inaccessible, difficult to identify genuine cases, and misappropriation of resources, whereby if previously you were helping the needy, you find that some of the contributions were mishandled, or rather the needy did not get what is due for them. Therefore, this discourages Christians. Question 5a. Outline 7 problems Nehemiah encountered in the rebuilding of the wall of Jerusalem. 6 marks. Officials of Tekoa did not cooperate. Ridicule by Sanballat and Tobiah. Threats of violence. A trap was laid. Plot to kill him. Insecurity. False prophets. Opposition from Jewish nobles. And false accusations. Question 5b. Identify the symbolic acts used by Prophet Jeremiah to demonstrate God's judgment and punishment to the Israelites. 6 marks. Buying a new linen waistcloth. Jeremiah was not to marry. Working of the vessels by the potter. Breaking of the earthen flask. And then 2 baskets of figs. Good and the bad figs. Question 5c. What lessons do Christians learn from Prophet Jeremiah's teachings on the new covenant? The laws will be in their hearts. They will have a personal relationship with God, the divine responsibility of sins, forgiveness of sins. The relationship will be everlasting. That is between God and the Christians. Those who repent the sins will have a new beginning. There would be need for faith in God, need to obey the laws of God, and the new covenant would be fulfilled with the coming of Jesus Christ. Question 6a. Name 6 places where sacrifices are carried out in traditional African communities. Under trees, in caves, at the seashore, near rocks, tops, waterfalls, shrines, homes, and graveyards. Question 6b. Give the reasons why sacrifices are made in traditional African communities. An act of worship, maintaining good relationship with God, asking for protection, to appease ancestors, mourn ancestors, to acknowledge God, seek God's intervention as a thanksgiving, to invite ancestors to a function, ask for blessings. Question 6a. State 7 rules of ancestors in traditional African communities. So the roles of ancestors are act as mediators, oversee the community, bring punishment, that is to the wrongdoers, give directions, rebuke wrongdoers, give guidance on rituals, to ensure or to do the ancestors, the living, get a sense of belonging, welcome the dead to the spiritual world, and provide a reservoir of names. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, kindly let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.